In today's class, we want to consider how to draw circle, arc, and ellipse in AutoCAD. In our previous tutorial, we dealt with line command, polyline, and construction line. Okay? Check out for the video in the description box below. Now let's learn how to draw circle in AutoCAD. In the first place, circle command is an AutoCAD tool located within the region of draw panel or draw toolbar in the home tab ribbon of AutoCAD interface. Okay, now the following steps can actually be used to draw circle in AutoCAD. Number 1, click circle icon in order to activate circle command, or we can also type circle in the command line and press enter. Then another way to activate circle command is also to type C and press enter. Okay, now what this simply means is, now for us to activate circle command, there's need for us to click here. By this we have activated the circle command. Then then we can go ahead and draw our circle. Number 2, we can type right on this command line, type circle right here, then I press enter. Then this is activated, our cursor is activated. Then can go ahead and draw a circle. Then number 3, is to type C, then press enter. Then you can also go ahead and draw a circle. Okay, number 2. Now the next thing, click in the drawing area to specify a center point. Now what this simply means is that now, like we have seen, that we can select circle command by clicking on circle icon. We can do that by typing circle right here on the command line and press enter, and also by typing C and press enter. Okay, now having done that, any of the method we use in activating our circle command, then the next thing, which is this second method now, second step now, is to click in the drawing area to specify a center point. Now when you bring your cursor to this drawing area, now there's an information right on this command line. It specifies center point. Okay, now we have to specify the center point. Now we right click right here. Okay, we have specified our center point. Okay, now the next thing is to specify radius, or use command line to impute the value of radius. Okay, now when we drag our cursor towards a particular direction, okay, we can now impute the value of radius. For instance, type 5. I type 5 and press enter. Okay, the value of this circle radius is 5. Now you can also click, then right click on the drawing area. Okay, then type right here. You type 5 on the command line, then press enter. You see the same thing. Okay, now having specified the radius, or use command line to impute the value of radius. Okay, next, which is number 4 now, to specify diameter, there's need for us to type D, then press enter first, then impute the value of the diameter, then press enter the second time. Okay, now what I simply mean is this: when you click on this command, then right click right on this drawing area. Okay, now type D, press enter. Then what is the value of diameter? Assume is 10, then press enter. Okay, now this happen to be our circle with diameter of 10. Okay, now for us to check, look at it. Okay, look at it. the diameter is actually 10. Okay, and again, understand that we have couple of methods of drawing circle in AutoCAD. Okay, we have number 1, center radius, center diameter, 2 points, 3 points, tan radius, tan. Now let's begin with center radius. Okay, now what this simply means, when you click here and you move your cursor right to the drawing area, then right click. Okay, now when you drag it any direction, okay, you can now impute your radius. Assume that the radius is 5, then press enter. Okay, that is the first method. Now the second method is now we have center and diameter. Okay, now when you click on this, for instance, click center diameter. Okay, then right click on the drawing area, then you can now type, for instance, 10, then press enter. Okay, what this simply means in the first one, which is center radius, it has to do with from center to the circumference of the radius, and then why this one is from one end to the other, which is the second one. Okay, now the third one is 2 points. For instance, you have a line like this. Okay, you have a line like this. Now this line, now when you click on this command, fly out rather, click here, then you can click here to draw your your circle. Again, you can do likewise here. Okay, in this case, if you click on this other one, for instance, click here and you want to try it, it may not work. Okay, that is it. Now the third method, for instance, we have something like this. You have something of this nature. Let's choose triangle, press 3, polygon, then press 3, then enter. Then for instance, we have this triangle. Okay, now let's go to the fourth one, which is 3 points. Click here, then we can conveniently click here, and click here. Okay, now if you try to use this one, for instance, by clicking here, for instance, it will not work. Okay, now the fifth one rather, is tan radius. Okay, now for instance, you may have to, I want to talk of tan radius. Now for instance, type C, press enter to draw cycle, then repeat. I have something like this. Now you click on this icon. Okay, then you can click here and click here, and click here rather. Okay, now the next one is tan. Okay, for instance, we have something like this. We have these 3 lines. We have something like this. Okay, now click on this flyout, then we can tap here, then we'll have this. Okay, tan. That is it. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for updates. And don't forget to leave comments in the comment section below. See you in the next class.